Alright, let's look at the homework 2.4, problem number 3. Right, so our function is x squared, and we want to find the corresponding delta value for epsilon is equal to 1/2. Right, so let's do that. Alright, so let's see. We don't know what these guys are, so we have to find those guys. So let's do that. Alright, so this is y equals x squared. So for what x value y is equal to 0.5. So we know that x squared, we want that to be 0.5. So we can just take the square root of both sides to get x is equal to, so we're looking at +1, so it's going to be a square root of 0.5. Right, so this would be square root of 0.5. Right, and here it's the same way, so we can go through the same computation except that this is going to be equal to 1.5. so take the square root, you get x equals square root of 1.5. Right, so let's find out. So let's see, so down to 3 decimal places. So I'm going to just bring out the GeoGebra. Right, what would be square root of 0.5? Right, so just get the value, and let's see, 3 decimal places it will say, surrounding to 3 decimal places. Right, so it's 0.707. Right, so so this is about 0.707. Right, and the other one is square root of 1.5. Right, you can do that on your calculator, and it's a 1.225. Right, so this is about the 1.225. Right, so looks like distance here. So distance here is going to be 0.225, and the distance here is about right. So you have to subtract 0.707 from 1, so that will be 0.293. Right. So you can see that we have to pick the smaller number just to be sure, so it works for both sides. So this is going to be the number. Right, so the value is 0.225. Right, so let's type it in. Alright, so we found, oops, sorry, so here we found that to be 0.225. Right, so let's check, submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.